Beautiful Monday, last Monday of the month. And I have the world of entertainment near me so baba betcho ewa hide be some the fata oni no sumuno ye chicho mienu sam need Sandra or him adwuma me Adom entertainment am Ghana for chemu a
we need start sending now where the jayo or your guy sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy scoring 2 times a guy you know, and some de be brain aba hey I'm going to say move na meso adwuma na nka megyae ade achi bia mo de bi begya me ya ba ni abenti no yenko ensem ne so
oh really konkonsa
kwa bi pure steady asem no kwa yen konkonsa kwa na wo bo me so bo e ka say social for the first time Ghana Nigeria collabo album sana social for etre mia me go so hwe me kwa emi nya kakra se TV IP mo time ahonka wom ni ade no nya album ana social for na eka say ya de hye kronkron last made rising star in fact I be people man o ya ade obo ne homoden pan yi ka o free papa yi hoi ka ye bi mo mpa e bo sen ka won hwi ase no mo fan kan asem ba ya me oti ase ogusu hira brantie no wa ya ade papa yes one Nigerian guy bi we nye collabo keke we nye single name mo the album na ebe na alatafo I hope some so no more hype ya de hye no okrum ho sane ya so mu aye hype bre yi se one last me de ye bibi no mo so mu nso mo ho omo abegu na make una do stories about last mid this collabo this album make una do stories for us. Thank you sha it is ana e wo krum a ye twen nya hwanwum a e wo so. Congratulations, first time Ghana Nigeria collabo album. Na I mean so omo my teaser bi ni ade. And to say it here, and this is how we like it on the streets and twice. So guy be wo music industry ni mo, you know, such a handsome young man. But in some kwana na. Hey! Just a guy, you know, very talented guy. Ono maso se o tonyom na chese o rap o fans ni mu a chese wetin say th for quatches most these no dey mama but they say the papi kwadwa kwada ni social na so say hey but me feel the way in niama because he can't be bothered son no living a life he can't be bothered eti hwe say obi de so na wo dey akwajem airman na dey so hey oh papi kwadwo you are in your own world and it's good. First of the disaster rapper bed no. Ya cheap alago Mufasa. They say Mufasa so I say oba fan crofo beats violence na mu na wona awo ye no. Ba Papi Kwadwo usuru studio gem ne de wadi a wonsa no kra abokama. Usubo modern rest studio na to be man menua no. Sa ne pen wo street no so game bars for bars. Na industry mo ayehye she wunza. Oso carry a wu oso ye bele. Kora ho na to be man no na den yan to answer no so this conversation you're having no for a very long time conversation we are maybe can ayon komo a ye disa for years de bia obi man mu so and if you are underrated if you cry ba bisa nyom ye ne twetwe nkomo e ma me bisa no also no feel underrated ofil say support amode man na amode man ono afia na ne kan but netizens ntiase because afia so mic mu okko stage ne performance how we afia tonyom ne voice omo ntiase say baby e was say afia dru no onui na me so me bisa mo say hwan fault mo amo kan okra afia nyom say na wo phone so mo amo yes argument ne say if you are underrated, if you are show out ticket to call. More can say, and if you was a baby at you savage Juno or chem, how many times if you show a woko? If you post the idea, do you share? Are you following her? These are questions I was here beside your home. Not the bia so bo na ma ko fa lata for ya tare ho. Comment sections no mudi at them say we can't trend without mentioning their name like yo. Thames is good, no two ways about that. But as I say, fear should have been bigger than Thames, Mobi any lane. abaya ne nko yeso ye de ye mpushi no yenti asem a abremu a fresh boy eka ye ba ya twetwe ho nkomo.
Mr. Thames is the most overrated female African artist ever. Eka Thames no bia on. Na ka Adina ne Afia should have been bigger than Thames. Na so Ghana ne enim ye artist so. Enim ye artist so hype. Ye artist blow ya na target ne person bringing it down. Just say, me share talent pa e good Ghana pa on. Yent me excel than Nigerians. You can almost population wise. It makes sense. Na so kakra say 30 million na Ghana no. I don't know kakra na wom no. We don't support our artists. I'm as a talent like Adina ne Afia. On my ira and at Thames a blue na Thames anytime I meet Thames me am enti Afia pa you may Afia de be ma Ghana for pa Ghana for to be push Afia me Afia do some kind of pedestal. Thames a blue unity.
Me ma kan say mu nyina mo te se me anka ko fu ekwa ko munya platform alata fu yi. Aya akwa Nigeria kwhwe. Wo pay interview kwa de mo je mo hu okrom ho no mo mfi. Ba de achi bia ne de platform say bo mu din bo. Ya mfa sa energy no. Emmo Ghanaian artists because Ghanaian artists omo bo mo homodin o. Moli niema abaye enye mo me yenka. Billboard niema record a o breaki mo ma yenka. Jackie wo hoi niema wo foforo mo me yenka. De bia akwaso ohia ne so entokwa. Me na me fa me na me fa me na me di me na me sa na ade asa. Ha? Oh, me dem abrem ko me tie me ja ko me yare. Ye nto aso na Paluta me nua ne so ase ho. Me nua na ase ho. Wasa abrochiefu akeka abom. Ebu kill for show. Na me nua be ma American brother. Em so be provoke no. Wan keep ni ku. Ba yo bro. Wonim se me de meka no kre na cho. Bro, I thought that in moments like this, now what's we shows that we are professional. I thought that I understand, say, people can really provoke you to your neck. Like, I'm what can I say? Artists, nene, celebrities, hello, they are humans before being stars. It's who shada, metesa mesewano, I shada provoke you Paluta. And on us want to be a man swa, chest and a wig crass a sapo. Because we shall not Paluta muade and no did mamma them. No, I'm not here for disrespect. I know they mean tolerating. Say by oh mammy, what's the why? What's the step penny be or chain with it? I was saying I'll control. Movie show no cry, what friend backstage, and yes, why woman in it near also. But will be obey me I old enough like your mama. One keep you cool man or hop a microphone there, meaning why yadi. Why yadi, and I would team no be anti me and she mic and so influence him. And I'm on me. Also why yadi. Artist in a stage or the energy a shim or perform or you bet me and I'm on me also who buna bem or be original stage I will entertain who buna bem. I'm on me just say I to be a man who I want the aquarium. We hope I be a millionaire. Mijin Finfi came Paluta Jody, Mommy Jody, Mugina Pow. Yeah, remember.
The fans sitting on the bar. What's in the next one? Everyone is proud. You don't give a fuck about me. I don't give a fuck about you. Trust me. That was one. I don't give a fuck for the papa, young boy.
Hey, Abrochefwe. There's more original, more money fans, more money fool, so 1 year more. What would they making? She said, show work in Paluta Koye. Once a yanti show ni ho she. Ye who ne performance bia, yanti show ni ho some dear course positively. I was ye who you, but wake a crown or ye say trendy. We have a long way to go as a country. Yeah, quite what? Because adia sano, these are things I need home. A guy na bushu. Mo share no ma. Me a mijina hair cake rampuno. Me show them meba. Me a mijina hair cry. Me show them more. Most of my idea moon promote because anyway I make one coming him so show. Anyway I coming him so show. And so you can do better. We know management. One year post show no page. Ya can wait and can no come home. Why? TFNC. Young fancy, Mr. Weber, I am a director. Hey, first off, happy birthday to one of our cinematographers, or Mufia, one of the young guys are all for first off, so let us say, Bajule, and then I would from all of us here, first off, we love you, keep soaring, happy birthday. Uncle Thomas Waha, hey, Kwabi P, girls need feel you so so. Madam Mungina must see OPD, I am a producer, and Elise will makeup department. I'm the guy's queen. We will be back on Wednesday. 2 times a guy. Bye for now.